Hi everybody and welcome to my kitchen. Today we prepare delicious pumpkin pie. And first of all we take out of a fridge butter and let it warm up in room temperature. And we begin working with pumpkin. I have here a piece of pumpkin with skin. 600 or 700 will be enough. This one is 670 grams. So we cut it into smaller pieces and remove skin. Cook pumpkin in boiling water for about 15-20 minutes until it's ready. You can also prepare it in oven, but I will boil because it's faster. Now pumpkin is ready. We let it cool for about 5 minutes and pour off water. Or you can take it out with a skimmer. Now we mash the pumpkin with potato masher. Or you can use a blender. For pie crust we need 1 cup flour, all-purpose unbleached flour, 90 or 100 gram butter, 1/3 teaspoon baking powder, and some cold water. I will mix everything by hand, but you can also use food processor. As you can see, I didn't use all water. There is no exact measurement for water. I only can say use some tablespoons, the minimum you need to obtain soft
elastic dough.
Roll out the dough. Now we have our pie crust ready, but what we're gonna do, it depends on which kind of mold we are gonna use. So I have here metallic, and this one is very good because we can put our dough here, give it shape, and put it in the fridge or even in a freezer, and then we can fill it and put immediately in the oven. This is advantage of metallic mold. But today I am not using this one. Today I am using glass pie plate. So this plate is very beautiful and nice, but we can't put it in the fridge and then in the oven because it can just burst into pieces. Using glass pie plate, we have to avoid severe temperature changes. So we leave it just in a room temperature and we put in the fridge our dough. Just like this, we put it in the fridge. And now let's prepare filling for our pie. We will need 2 eggs, 3/4 measuring cup sugar, 1/4 heavy cream. I have 35% cream, 2 tablespoons cornstarch. You can use flour. I will be using vanilla sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. If you want to prepare classic American pumpkin pie, so you have to use another spices. In this case, you have to use half teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and the same amount, half teaspoon of grated ginger, and just a little pinch of cloves. It will be delicious and it will be classic American taste for pumpkin pie, but I prefer it with vanilla taste. And obviously we will add a cup of our pumpkin puree we prepared before. First we mix cream and cornstarch. And now we put all together. And now we are ready to bake our pie. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now pie is ready. It took 40 minutes. If toothpick comes out clean, so it's ready. Now let's cut it and try. It's delicious. It's delicious hot and cold. It's just delicious. Enjoy your meal and bye! I prepared the pie yesterday, late afternoon, and today in the morning that's all left. In my family it's always like this. When I prepare it, we finish it quickly because it's really delicious. So I want to show you the next day. It's beautiful and it tastes the same delicious. If you plan to eat it in 24 hours, so you can store it at room temperature, just in plastic container, covered. But if you think you will eat it in 2-3 days, so you can put it in the fridge. And about the size of pie plate, it's 23 centimeters or 9 inches. And a little information about butter. If you want the butter to warm up faster, you can cut it in small pieces. This way butter will warm up much faster. And now bye bye and enjoy your pie.